Hello guys, my name is Skyzox and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple chat application using React.js and web. The front end it's React.js and we're gonna use TypeScript in React.js and also we're gonna use a server backend which have some Express.js and we're gonna use server WebSocket. So let's begin with installing TypeScript React.js template. We're gonna use npx create React application and we're gonna use template TypeScript. Oh, sorry. Uh, I need to specify the route. This the folder like this. Now it should work. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video until it installed. And now, as you can see, we have installed the web React.js with TypeScript. This is TSX, TypeScript JSX elements. And now we're gonna install the server dependencies now. We're gonna open an integrated terminal and npm initialize. Yes. Okay, and now we're gonna install Express course and body parser. Okay, and now we're gonna open the server and put the nodemon here as start npx nodemon targeting the source folder special exactly the index.js, and here we're gonna change the path into the folder source. Now we're gonna make source folder includes the index.js. Okay, and now we're gonna import the express const express equal require of express const body parser. Now we're gonna use, before that we need to make an application equal to the function of express, create an express application is a function top level function exported by express model. Okay, and now we need to make listen with this port with console log. And here we're gonna use the middleware. It's called middleware. We're gonna use the course app.use course, and we're gonna specify the origin. We're gonna use the star for every origin, and then we're gonna use the body parser .json for JSON parsing. We're gonna make an endpoint of API, and here we're gonna put this index inside the API folder. Before that, we need to initialize this file by making a route using require from express dot router, and then we need to do model dot exports API, and we're gonna use API dot get. This is for testing, request, and response. Response dot send that word, and here we're gonna put the API. Just write API and VS Code will give you this. Just click it. Now it's imported from the API folder. And now we need to start the application. Open a new terminal. Nice, now the server is listening. And let's make it more easier for opening. I'm gonna use local host HTTP, and yeah, let's use API. Let's test the API endpoint that we have made before. API should give hello world like this. So now the server is working well. Let's set up the web. We're gonna go, first of all, we're gonna go to source, remove all this thing. It's unnecessary. It's not necessary. And now uh, after removing the unnecessary files, let's set up these files by removing these things. Okay, and now let's test the web. Let's test the front end, npm start. And now it's created, so it's working well. Let's remove these things from here. We don't need this, 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 and this. Okay, let's say hello world. That's it. Now it's working good. We need to change some things here. We're gonna use the body background color black, but I'm gonna make it like into this color. Okay, looks good. And then the colors is white and font family is this font. Okay, now it looks good. All the element with zero margin and zero padding. Okay, nice. Okay, let's start implementing the input. First of all, container. This is the container, and it's the last name container. Okay, let's make a bottom div with an input placeholder of input. Create, create a message. Okay. I think I should like make it separate in a component file, component folder, but I don't know, it's no problem. Okay, this is create a message. So let's go to API and create a folder named messages. I will make create.js and post.js. No, get.js. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I will explain something now. Okay, the method it's different between both of them. So I'm gonna copy this post uh, and paste them. I'll change only this and make it get, just make it readable. Okay, now you can see it has the same endpoint name. Both of them have the same endpoint name, but it's gonna have a different method. This is the method get. This has get method, but this is have post method. So this is for like getting messages. Get all messages in chat, and this is for like create a new message. That's why it's named post. So if you want to make a post request into this, you need to make like fetch messages. First of all, need to make API messages, and also the method should be post. The method should be post, and because it's post, and for creating a new message, it should have a body. The body should have the message information. JSON dot parse is the message information like content, hello world, and the other like sky zooks codes. Okay, something like this, and we can also make created at equal new date. Okay, just current date without nothing. Dot to string. To string. Okay. This is like a simple method, a simple way to make a request using fetch. You can use Axios. I guess it's like, yeah, Axios. Axios API reference. Send a post request method URL data. Let's make it like simple without using json.parse. Okay. In this course, we're gonna use only fetch, and the next courses we're gonna use also Axios. Okay. We need to make models. This is for database. We're gonna use MongoDB for the database. We're gonna use message.js. We should install Mongoose for this. npm install Mongoose. Okay, and now we have Mongoose. We're gonna make const Mongoose equal require of Mongoose const message schema equal Mongoose dot new. We're gonna make a new schema with content. It's string. The author, also the author. I'm not sure if we need author because in this website we don't gonna make authentication, so we don't want to use author. We're gonna use only the date equals string. Okay, now this is good. Let's create a model by creating this message equal mongoose dot model. I will name the model messages, and here we need to put the schema, and here we need to export it. Okay, and now we're gonna go to get. This is to get all the messages. First of all, we need to get the messages. Okay, just write messages. Click, and now it's imported from the modules. Okay, we're gonna use const messages equal away. We need to make a synchronize function away messages dot find. This is to get the all messages, and then response dot json messages equal to messages. Okay, the messages, it's like an array, as you can see. So it's that simple. We just do module exports, and for the create we need to set the body, the message equal request dot body, the request body what client sent to the server, and then we're gonna create a new message by creating like this to make a synchronize. And here we're gonna put the message. Now we created a new schema, new message. Okay, we need to save it. We need to await new message dot save. And now this is done, but we need to make only one thing to make it live shot, like it's live. To make it live we need to make something. We're gonna use WebSocket here. WebSocket.js. Okay. We're gonna install the WebSocket. Okay. Okay, now we created the WebSocket server. Socket dot add event listener of connection. So look new connection. This is like a new connection. Okay, new connection. Oops. This connection. Okay. And let's make, where is it? Okay. S dot, you can send something. Can make like add event listener, like message or anything else. So now we're gonna make like if a message coming in or something, we're gonna handle it. Okay. Uh, to handle it, we're gonna use model.export. Okay, we need to export socket. Create. Okay. When it's save socket dot clients dot for okay for each client that's WebSocket. For each client, this mean like for each client is connected to the WebSocket, I wanna do something. What we're gonna do is gonna send to every client the message whereas dot send message. It's save it on the database and also we gotta send it using the WebSocket. So if it's saved just in the database, you need to refresh to get the new data. But using the WebSocket, you will get it live. I think everything now it's done. Okay, we have zero error here. Okay, let's make payload, but we need to set the Mongo connection. Okay, I'm gonna set my token here and I will be back. And now I have installed the .env requirements and I've made like process environment MongoDB from .env. To install .env need to npm install .env. Okay, now it's installed. So I have set the the database. We can see it in MongoDB compose here. Okay, we have it in test. Are you? I don't need this. I'll just remove top. Okay, and now we're gonna implement the backend, the front end. Sorry. Okay. Okay, we're gonna make a new state. Includes the user data, the message data. Sorry. Use state content. This is for initialize, and this is the date. Date equals also nothing. Okay, now message and here set message and also gonna make another one, but it's gonna be an array. Okay, And here we're gonna put the messages by using map. We're gonna use messages dot map message for we're gonna return on div. Okay, this div include h3 with the message dot content. Okay, we can use something types because we're using TypeScript. Uh, then string and also date called string. Okay, now we have content. We can use it in instead just in type message. Copying this, just copy message, paste it here, copy message and paste it here. Okay, now we have the type of message. So we're gonna make a fetch request. This is we're gonna make it like more easier, just the form. This is like very easy way. On submit, we're gonna use this handler const submit handler equal. We're gonna have an event. The event type gonna be React dot form event. Okay, now it's good. Okay, we're gonna set it into default, prevent default, and we're gonna make a try catch error. Okay, and here we need to make this a synchronize function. Response equal wait. Let's check the port. Okay, port is 3030. 300, 3000, yes, 3013. And the API messages. Okay, and now we're gonna use the method. What's the method of this? It's post because we're gonna send the message information. Okay, okay, I forgot to do something. The value of this input gonna be message dot content, and we need to make on change. So set message. Now I think, yeah, it should work. Good. Equals to e dot target dot value. Okay, this is working good. Okay, the method that we should use is post, as we have here. Post. I need to import it. Export. Create message, and I need to use them here. API dot use. I already used the API here, so just need create. Okay, this is for create message, and this is for get message. So it's auto imported. Method is post, and body. Wait, we need to make also the headers. And body will be JSON dot parse message. Okay, why? Oh, that's string. I'm sorry. Uh, let's string by message date. String. Okay, if response, that's okay. Console.log message. Okay, let's test it now. Allow world. I submitted. Let's check the database. Oh, it's empty. Wait. Okay, now I think it works good. Let's fix it. Yeah, this is the content and this is the date. Now we need to make use effects to get the messages. Okay, need to use an array to start it just one time. Okay, the method it should be get because we're getting messages, not post. So this is the difference between them. We don't need body, just need headers and specify the content type. Okay, and make the messages set messages to be the response body. Response body is like data equal response to JSON. We need to use an await. Okay, here's the date. Now we should see the data. Oh, dot messages. Okay, this is the two messages that I have sent. Okay, I have sent two. I can edit them here. Like I can make it hello world update, and now it's hello world. Changed also in the front end. We can do the WebSocket also. Mm, for WebSocket, we need to use a new WebSocket server. Const socket equal new. What's the port? Okay, that's the port. Okay, this is the WebSocket. We're gonna use effect. Or use another use effect. Okay, and I use add event listener of messages. This is the event. Console.log. Event.data. Look, new connection, because we are connecting. I'll inspect the element when, oh, we need the key prop. Anyways, when I make a message, I should see it here. Uh, Connecting, refusing. Why? I think I should use this first. Oh, I have an idea. Well, the problem, I think it's because I didn't parse it first. Uh, should like use JSON. send dot parse the message, or let's stringify request, and here I need to do JSON dot parse this data. Okay. Okay, now it works. But now this is a problem because it run twice. So what should we use? We need to do socket dot return as a return. Okay, nice. I think it's because we're using strict mode. Yeah, because we're using strict mode. Test. Okay, now it's fixed. The strict mode is for like running the code 2 times. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the messages, the previous messages, and also add the new message previous, and also this new message. Let's test it now. Hey, now it's live. Let's open another browser for testing. Let's see now if it's live. If I make a message here, I should see it also here. Hello, my friend. Okay, I see it here and also in this browser. So now it's live message. But I should do only one thing, is this. Set message without nothing. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now we should like reverse it. Okay, we need to reverse the shot using dot reverse. Okay. Hey man. now it works good. So thank you for watching, and the next video I will implement, I'm gonna add the styling. I'll make it pretty and good design using Tailwind, and also I will make login authentication system with saving the the member or the user information in array in WebSocket. So goodbye, see you guys in next video.